The Sprit Hoverboard is an electric hoverboard that comes in two sizes, 6.5 inches and 8.5 inches. Both hoverboards are designed for off-road riding and feature self-balancing technology, solid rubber tires, and Bluetooth speakers. Here's a summary of the Sprit Hoverboard's features. Self-balancing technology. This makes it easier for riders of all ages to learn to ride the hoverboard. Solid rubber tires. These tires are puncture-proof and can handle a variety of terrains, including grass, gravel, and dirt. Bluetooth speakers. Riders can connect their smartphones to the hoverboard speakers and listen to music while they ride. UL 2270 to certified. This means that the hoverboard has been tested for electrical safety. Here are some things to consider before you buy an Sprit hoverboard. Weight capacity. The 6.5-inch hoverboard has a weight capacity of 165 pounds, while the 8.5-inch hoverboard has a weight capacity of 220 pounds. Top speed. Both hoverboards have a top speed of 9 miles per hour. Battery life. The battery can last for up to 6 miles on a single charge. Price. The price of the Sprit hoverboard varies depending on the size and retailer, but it typically costs between $200 and $300. Age recommendation. Sprit doesn't explicitly state an age recommendation, but hoverboards can be difficult for young children to control. It's important to consider your child's age and maturity level before you buy them a hoverboard. Here are some user reviews of the Sprit hoverboard. Users say that the hoverboard is easy to learn to ride and is a lot of fun to use. Some users complain that the battery life is not as long as advertised. Other users have reported problems with the hoverboard's durability. Overall, the Sprit hoverboard is a good option for riders who are looking for an affordable, off-road hoverboard. However, it is important to consider the weight capacity, top speed, battery life, and price before you make a purchase. You should also keep in mind that hoverboards can be difficult for young children to control.